Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at some new egg wraps made from egg whites called Egglife. Been wanting to try these for a long time and finally saw them in the store. One wrap, 25 calories, no carbs, no sugars, 120 milligrams of sodium and 5 grams of protein. So looks good to me. It also says that they have original Southwest Italian rye and everything bagel flavors. So this is just the regular kind. It doesn't have any extra flavoring. So I'm going to make a turkey wrap out of this guy. If I can get it open. I guess we'll cut it open this way. All right. So they're definitely very stuck together. Okay. Let's try to get them separated here. It's a very interesting texture, that is for sure. So it says that you can put them, it's a little wet. I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the microwave first. It says you can put them in a V for 10 seconds. That's what I read on the thing. Confirm. 10 seconds. So we'll see what comes out. All right. There we go. It's definitely an interesting texture. A lot of people won't like it. I can tell you that right now. It's got xanthan gum in it, which I've used in previous recipes, and that can definitely cause a lot of people to really have issue because they really don't like that gummy texture. But it's kind of your option if you're trying to build something out of these. So I'm just using horseradish mustard and excuse me, I got something in my throat. Horseradish mustard, mayo, and pepperoncinis because I like it a little bit spicy, not crazy spicy. The night before I just had a bunch of Mexican, so I went all out last night. All right. So let's get some of this. Obviously don't want anything too crazy, but the question is going to be whether or not the texture is bad and whether or not it has a flavor that overcomes something like this. I understand that it's not the blandest of all options, but they're not bad. I will admit, it doesn't taste in the mouth. It doesn't have a lot of that same gummy. I mean, it feels like it will when you're touching with your hands. And it could be just because I have the pepperoncinis in there, but it's hard to tell. Like if you're not thinking about it and you're just like, I'm eating a wrap, it's hard to tell that this is anything different than a normal wrap would be, because a lot of times those wraps are a little bit thicker and I don't know, cushier. I don't know. Excuse me. I gotta say, that's a good deal right there. Those are good. Man, I'm not gonna go 10 out of 10, but I would say 9 out of 10 easy. Those are really good. In terms of carbohydrates, in comparison with like a regular tortilla, there's no comparison because this tortillas generally range between 4 and 6 grams of carbs. It stayed together really well, which I'm very impressed with. I mean, these are peeling apart well, which a lot of times your tortillas don't. These actually seem to be better, I mean, more consistent. I mean, look at this. I'm able to peel them apart without any issue. That's a pretty big deal. That is a pretty big deal. So I'm gonna say these are up there. I don't know. I might go 10 out of 10. Anyway, regardless, they're easily one of the better options I've seen in terms of if you're just hardcore, like I'm not doing any carbohydrates at all. I absolutely recommend those wholeheartedly. If you're in that phase, if you're in the the egg only phase and you need to put some eggs inside your eggs, you could make a breakfast burrito out of those, and then it's all egg. Anyway, I realize I'm being a little bit silly, but I'm excited because I wasn't expecting that much awesome out of a package. So anyway, with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.